let's talk a bit about this whole conversation about Islamizing the country with our population and our dynamics. Is it possible that someone can sneak this in at some point and force all of us under some sort of regulation that we do not ascribe to? Is it possible that this can happen in this country?
It is possible, and don't be deceived. It's going to happen. It is possible, and don't be deceived. It's going to happen.
You hear him well, right? It is possible. Don't be deceived. It is going to happen. I hope you people know this man, a Navy commander who have served Nigeria for 30-something years. He has led teams of intelligence in this country, including in the Defense Intelligence Agency. So this man is a military spy. He's not supposed to be seen outside. Like, they are the kind of people who are not permitted to go to television to talk because of the level of security exposure that he has. But this is the man sacrificing everything to tell you that, listen, don't be deceived. Nigeria is going to be Islamized. Yeah, that's a Navy commander telling you. Sometimes if we talk, people will say, you are not a policeman, you are not this, you don't understand it well. But this is a man who has served for 30-something years. In every capacity, this man has served. He has been operational commander all his life in the Navy. He's telling you that. Don't be deceived. They are going to Islamize Nigeria. It's going to happen. Oh, don't be deceived. Like, you see what this man said? If we have political science students, this is supposed to be, what is it called? The projects you'll be doing at the end of your academic section. You're supposed to be doing projects, studying the Islamization of Nigeria. This is a work that people in university are supposed to be studying. Because if you did not study this thing now, I pity Nigeria, because a lot of people don't actually get what is going on.
It's a peaceful protest over the killings in southern Taraba. The Sokari Diocese and Jalingo Diocese priests are gathered and are about to begin the protest.
Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Before we begin this solidarity march, may I call on Very Reverend Father John J. McKay to lead us in the opening prayer, please.
So let us pray in the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.
Amen.
Our Father,
who art in heaven, hallowed be your name. Your kingdom come, your will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. Amen.
Hail Mary,
Full of praise.
Of what use is your 50 million? Yeah. When you don't have a safe country that your children and your children, unborn children can live. Now, you know, the most painful part is that maybe we that live outside, we felt the pain more than people that live inside. Because you will hear some people say that it's not as bad as you're looking at it. And my point is that the reason why you are saying what you are saying is because your family is not affected. My heart bleeds every day. How can Woro community, they just massacre 170 people, and the next town, the same people write letter to them that they are still coming again? Now, the question is, if you look at these terrorists very well, look at them very, very well, where do they get money to buy drone?
You understand?
Now, DSS is using drone. US Army is using drone. Bandits too, terrorists too, they are using drone. Now, if they now started gathering surveillance, that means there's a high-level delegation backing these people up to accomplish all these evil things. And when you are now trying to speak to few Nigerians that, come, what you people are, you are sitting on the keg of gunpowder, they said, it's not, it's only in the northern part. I said, listen, it's in Kwara. The next place is Oshun. Ibadan is a close proximity. Lagos is gone. And what I see that people are doing is that they want to finish the north, target the west, so that they can launch to the east, because the east will not be easy. They know that for sure. Now, these people have one agenda. You've said it in your program times and again, but it's like we have a general people that does not listen. Their ear is not working. They want to Islamize the country. Kunle Olawumi have said it about 5 years ago. Exactly the same thing. It's like we have a generation of people that let's continue living the way we are living. What is it? It's not as bad as people make it look. It's only happening in the north. It's not in the south. It's not in the southwest. I said, well, they are in Edo State. Look at the ammunition that they seized. Who imported those ammunition that they intercepted in the customs? Who imported them?
Up to today, the person who imported them, they did not reveal it.
Now, how come some set of people, look at these Fulani people that are carrying guns, they are not even well fed. Where do they get money to buy AK-47? That is the question we should be asking each other.
Even children. Some of them are
they are children. Oh, 16, 17, 19. Look at them. Look at them. If this one shoot gun, would the gun not even throw him away? But the fact that he's carrying the gun is scary because there's bullets inside. You can't challenge him.
And now, in that piece, you can see policemen without gun with mufti. They ordered police to come without gun. The terrorists are wearing soldier uniform.
Gumi make it clear that if I'm going to the bush, I'm being accompanied by police and soldiers. Even the media will carry camera to follow me. How did they get the footage? No, he didn't hide it. He said it every now and then that if I'm going, the police are there, the soldiers are there, the DSS are there. How do we have a nation whereby the worst of us are ruling the best of the people? You cannot carry gun in southwest. In southeast, you cannot show gun. But you know people are carrying gun, they are parading it.
Head to your pickup at
and nobody dare carry gun in southwest. They know where you live. The same soldier that went to Ecomog and sustain peace, they went to Sierra Leone and sustain peace. Now in your own house, under your own roof, in your own nose, you need external forces to come and help you. Something is wrong somewhere. They should tell us what is wrong. Yeah, they should tell us what is wrong.
Something is absolutely wrong.
Something is absolutely wrong. And the most painful part is that when you are trying to tell the people living in Nigeria that this and this, they'll tell you it's not as bad as you're making it look. You people it's because you people have data. I said some of the people that report this thing, they live in Nigeria. And it's not even maybe their concern is just that every time you open news, there's no good news. It's that they've killed XY People that are being killed, I don't want bloodshed. They should split. The country should split. That's the only way that can solve this thing. It happened in Bosnia and Herzegovina. Now they are living peacefully. It happened in India and Pakistan. They are living peacefully. Imagine if Pakistan and India are one country. By today, there will be third world war.
Yeah.
Let the country just split peacefully. As in, Nigeria can easily split. What's the population of Israel? 8 to 10 million. Not even the size. They can bring 3 countries from Lagos State, if that is the case.
Yes, so.
They can bring 3 countries from. What is the population of Jamaica? 3 million. There are some countries that are less than 3 million. So what is, we are not, I was watching Goodluck Jonathan speech, maybe is it today, that
600 meters turn left
this country needs
to
to break. When he was a president, he couldn't say so, but now he can see it, that the country needs to break. This marriage is not working. It's not working that one set of people, the total Fulani in Nigeria, they're not up to 10 million. They are the dominant force. They are the one killing people. They are the one in power. Most people don't know that since the inception of Nigeria, an Hausa man has not become president in Nigeria. It's Fulani. Oh, they say Murtala Mohammed, the father is from Edo State. So an Hausa man has never ruled Nigeria. It's all these Fulani people. Now, the moment a Southerner come into power, you will see an uprising. They don't want him there. He's not doing our interest. Oh, the ministerial position is one-sided. But when their people is there, it's not one-sided. But once someone else is there, it's one-sided. Now, Mr. Tinubu of a person, oh, they said he inherited it. I said, no, he didn't inherit it. He is part of it. He knew about it. He supported the person that brought them in so that he can gain access to the power. Now, as bad as Buhari is, he went to Dapchi. Tinubu have not went anywhere. He has not come out public to condemn any bad thing these people are doing. He hasn't come out publicly to condemn anyone. What kind of a country is that? How do we continue murdering people, killing people, as if we are slaughtering cow? Even they don't slaughter cow like that every day.
It's so unfortunate, my brother.
They don't slaughter cow like that every day.
All right. You see, just as I was saying before, where I started knowing, it's not today, where I started knowing that Nigeria have, in fact, both the people, not Nigeria as a country alone, the people have a problem, was when these terrorists were imported into Nigeria. No, that was where I started saying, no, there's something is wrong somewhere. Because no matter what it takes, I understand now how people are protesting because of election and all those things. And it's good. I clap for them. Okay, I clap for them. Because anybody looking for a solution, I think you cares. That is what I think. Even though you don't know the problem, because if you don't know the problem, you can offer the real solution. But I still, admire their courage. But the main thing is this. Why is it that nobody protested when these Fulani militia called bandits today were imported into Nigeria? Nobody protested. In the voice of Kunde Olawumi, if you ask him, the Nigerian government are buying more aircraft, they are buying more this, they are recruiting more soldiers, they want to fight insecurity. You know what he said? Those are not the problem. They know that is not the problem. Sorry, those are not the solution. They know that is not the solution. So they know that buying fighter jets, all those things are not the solution. So they continue doing it to tell you that they are doing something, but they know that is not the solution. And in the voice of Kunde Olawumi, he said, the problem of this insecurity in Nigeria are the people in the government. Full stop. Like, you don't hide it. And you know what? Someone who have served Nigeria for good 30 years, this is what he have come to say.
Instead of them to actually
East, Abu Anudua Federal Constituency, River State. I want to get his words. He said personal matters that was envisaged, he says, by the people who drafted this constitution. And I want to quote him. The implication is, if the word personal is removed, Islamic law would have broader implications. The word personal was put there for a reason. Let's talk a bit about this whole conversation about Islamizing the country with our population and our dynamics. Is it possible that someone can sneak this in at some point and force all of us under some sort of regulation that we do not ascribe to? Is it possible that this can happen in this country?
It is possible, and don't be deceived. It's going to happen. It is possible, and don't be deceived. It's going to happen.
You hear him well, right? It is possible. Don't be deceived. It is going to happen. I hope you people know this man, a Navy commander who have served Nigeria for 30-something years. He has led teams of intelligence in this country, including in the Defense Intelligence Agency. So this man is a military spy. He's not supposed to be seen outside. Like, they are the kind of people who are not permitted to go to television to talk because of the level of security exposure that he has. But this is the man sacrificing everything to tell you that, listen, don't be deceived. Nigeria is going to be Islamized. Yeah, that's a Navy commander telling you. You know, sometimes if we talk, people will say, you are not a policeman, you are not this, you don't understand it well. But this is a man who has served for 30-something years. In every capacity, this man has served. He has been operational commander all his life in the Navy. He's telling you that. Don't be deceived. They are going to Islamize Nigeria. It's going to happen. Oh, don't be deceived. Like, you see what this man said? If we have political science students, this is supposed to be, what is it called? The projects you'll be doing at the end of your academic section. You're supposed to be doing projects, studying the Islamization of Nigeria. This is a work that people in university are supposed to be studying. Because if you did not study this thing now, I pity Nigeria, because you know, a lot of people don't actually get what is going on.